Gukinyiria riu makiria ya irathi ngiri imwe thiini wa ikereka ria mbere ria waki wa irathi cia CBC ni irekereire. Umuthi Minister wa Githomo George Magoha atinda kaunti-ini ya Siaya guthurima waki uria ukoretwo githie na mbere thukuru-ini itiganite.
I think 80% of the classrooms are approaching roofing level, and the overall percentage completion rate is approaching 70%.
Magoha augite aria othe mahetwo kandarathi ya waki wa irathi ici nimegukorwo makiamukira mbeca ciao ihinda-ini riria riagiriire, akiuga thirikari ni irutite muigana wa ciringi bilioni 3.2 kurugamirira garama ya waki wa irathi ici.
Now that we have done very well and we have close to 1,000 completed classrooms, the second scramble is going to be how efficient we are able to pay for those classrooms that have been completed.
Ona kuhanora uguo ni arutite mukana kuri maabitha aria mehokeirwo kuriha ene kandarathi ici iguru rigie gucerithiria marihi mao riria wira uyu warikirira.
We are constructing these classrooms at 788,000 shillings. So the 200,000 or 300,000 shilling profit is meant for the local contractor. There is none for anybody to eat, whether you are a public works officer or any of my officers or any of the other officers.
Irathi ici itanyitwo gukahuthirwo ni arutwo a grade ya gatandatu mwaka ukite. Thirikari ikihinyiriria gutiri undu ukurugama kuona arutani no marathie na mbere kwamukira mathomo riri mafuku maria marabatarania marekitie gutwarwo thukuru-ini ciothe.
And as we move towards 2023, even though we shall not be there as a government is in perpetuity. That's why we are building the classrooms to ensure that whoever takes over from us has no excuse to say there are no classrooms for these children.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.